Hello, Interpol has announced the takedown of a phishing-as-a-service platform called 16 Shop in addition to the arrest of 3 individuals in Indonesia and Japan. The company said that more than 70,000 victims across 43 countries are estimated to have been compromised by services offered on 16 Shop. 2 other suspected facilitators have been apprehended based on additional intelligence. Phishing kits represent archive files with a set of scripts that ensure the work of a phishing website, the company said. Interpol said no less than 70,000 users across 43 different countries are believed to have been compromised by this service. 3 people have been arrested in connection with this operation. Here's what's good news. We've got a look at the infected pages. They usually receive an email with a PDF file or link that redirects to a site requesting the victim's credit card or other personally identifiable information. The company said it has found and dismantled 16 Shop as well as 2 other suspicious facilitators. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.